Hey everyone, I'll be explaining about an issue that you might have had when you have the HP Reverb G2, like about its audio system that I have encountered and I have fixed. So to anyone that has an HP Reverb G2 or any headset like the Valve Index, CV1, or whatever, any type of headset that uses the same system type for the speakers as the G2 would, is like the speakers cutting out or like going out completely. And when I first encountered this when I got my G2, was I originally thought that the speakers used like normal wires, like like anything, but no. They use like magnetics, so if I, let's say, take off the speaker on my headset. Well, actually, the first thing I'm going to explain is what is causing the problem. That's what I said. Is I'll take the speaker off real quick. So here's a speaker to it. The thing that was causing the issue for me is the screw that tightens it, which I don't know if you can see it. That's the screw right there. I'm sorry about the glare. I got a flashlight. It's the only thing I got so y'all can see. And it screws into, you see that little hole with the little metal parts? So it does not use wires, which I like. I like how, HP used to be, they used to not be Apple. And so if you do like encounter the problem with it like going out or something, or like all that, just tighten the screw to it, and it should work to me, and it should work because I did that and it worked. And I know that you could use external headphones if that's not the problem, but it's just an extra thing, especially with like wireless headphones and blah 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 blah, and all that. And if for some reason the audio you're still having, the audio's still doing all the things, even if tighten the scroll away, then I'm sorry, then I don't know what's going on with your head, so you probably have to dig deeper until you find out what's going on. And yeah, it's just some short video of something I've encountered and fixed, and wanted you all to know how to fix it too if you have the same problem. Anyways, that's all I think I all want to explain. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.